Hey guys, good morning. So we're still at the villa. It's the day after the wedding and we're just here chilling and relaxing because we're not gonna leave until in the evening. So we just there, I go and relax and I chill. So it was a very good, the wedding was nice, it was awesome. We're tired, and we just go chill today. We hope you enjoy video them and things, you know. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoy it and everything. Can we enjoy it? So yeah. So today we go just chill and enjoy ourselves before we leave. And we kinda did come late at the villa Friday. If come in the afternoon or some could have done like a room tour and all of them something, but that never go on, so I apologize. I'm not going on a room tour. I'm not go in depth with the villa and everything, but we and certain things, as I said, certain things never get done, but we still there to enjoy ourselves, and we only to enjoy for yourself too. So just stick around, guys. Yeah, see me? Yeah. Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. Just love. I wanna be with you. 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 Just love me. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Yo, happy now. Banco. That's Davian. That's it. Papi. Morning.
Look forward to it.
Yes, this is the bride. This is my mom. Mama. How was the wedding? Fantabulous. Fantabulous. Alright guys, so this is the end of the wedding series. Yeah, this is gonna be a very short video, but this is the end of the wedding series, and trust me, it was good. It was amazing. It was epic. I enjoy every bit of it. I want Uno to let me know in the comments which series is your favorite series, because all of them are my favorite. All of them are my favorite series. And again, I do apologize. I didn't get to do a house tour. I didn't get to do a room tour. None of that, because as we reach out the villa, we just get straight into, preparation for the wedding and all of that. After the wedding now, I didn't get a chance to interview everyone who, just to make them tell me how them enjoy the wedding. But guys, if you're watching, let me know in the comment section how was the wedding for you guys. If you enjoyed it, me know everybody enjoyed themselves. Me know that for sure, and uno can see for sure. It's everybody enjoyed themselves, and me know uno enjoy the series. Me know say uno enjoy for yourself too. So yeah, just let me know in the comments. And I want to say again, congratulations to my uncle and his beautiful wife, Mr. and Mrs. Burrell. Yes, long overdue. And it was, everything happened in the right time, because this was so amazing. I want to go back. Let me go back now. Let me go back. I really want to go back. So yeah, and the link up was awesome. Me just hope and pray like we have another family link up as big as this one. Me hope and pray. Me know it will come one day, but it was very good. The link up was awesome. I just love my family. Yeah, me love you. It was a very awesome time. I tell you guys, I enjoy myself, so tell me I want to go back right now. Yeah, but it was very good. Me really enjoy myself. And I know say want to enjoy for myself as well, right? So just let me know in the comments, guys, what is your favorite series and what was most outstanding for you. But everything, me enjoy myself, me enjoy every bit of it, may I tell you. And after the wedding, guys, after the wedding, like in the reception, I don't know when me drop asleep. Me don't know when me drop asleep. I mean, it's a pool party going on, pool party going on, and me drop asleep. Look look how I could have got a pool party and catch all of that, the content, the food, guys. But I don't know when me drop asleep. Me don't know when me drop asleep. But everybody, trust me, everybody had a great time. Me not tell no lie. It was great. It was awesome. So yeah. Another thing, guys, me have to big up my cousin Kevin, I have to big you up because Kevin captured everything. Guys, if I did me alone, being a bridesmaid, me would catch the whole entire wedding. I don't know who could have catch it for me like this. But I see Kevin, the videographer, no man, me have to big you up. You get every detail at the wedding, every details at the reception, everything. People may just give me phone and me say just record for me. And him deliver. You could have things say at any videographer, the video this whole entire something. You have to big him up, man. Big up yourself, Kevin. Me really and truly appreciate it. In capture everything. No, sir. I have to big you up one more time. My cousin, big up yourself. Yeah, man, me really and truly, from the bottom of my heart, really and truly appreciate it. Honestly. Yeah, in capture everything. And you know, me glad to me have this memory. And we can just go back, go look pan the wedding, go back, go watch it. And you know, just, me don't know what to say, but me really and truly appreciate it. And me thank you once more for just video the entire wedding and reception and everything. I don't know what happened, but the maid of honor speech, we never get the party, but she did well. Yeah, the maid of honor speech, we never get the maid of honor speech, and we never get when the groom was getting ready with, you know, the groomsmen and everything. We never get that part, which me should have give Kevin my phone for record what they go on in that the room there, but it just never click. Me did really want to catch when the groom I get ready versus when the bride I get ready, and me just merge everything together. But I just say, guys, I'm glad to say we get other parts though. I'm really glad to me get that. You know, these are memories. I really appreciate it. Kevin, big up yourself one more time, cousin. One more time. Come and know who could I do this so good. If you capture everything, no man. I drink, yeah? I drink. But yeah, guys, it was lovely. Guys, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, right? Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified, okay? Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at mini_Burrell. Remember to tell a friend to tell a friend for come watch these episodes, watch this wedding series, guys. Yeah, and you know, support the channel, subscribe, and all of that. So guys, as I said, this is a very short video, and yeah, this is the end of the video. This is the end of the wedding series. So bye guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.